Here's your weekly weather briefing from the National Weather Service in Jackson, Mississippi for Thursday, July the 31st, 2025. Here are a few things we'll look at today. We'll talk about the extreme heat warning that's in effect until 8 p.m., as well as a marginal risk for severe storms today. Dangerous heat stress will continue into Friday. We'll discuss the heat potential throughout the rest of the period, as well as take a look at the tropical weather outlook. Here's a look at the current forecast pattern for today through Friday. A cold front will begin to slowly sink southeastward into the area late today and through the overnight hours into Friday. This will bring a good chance for showers and storms to the area ahead of the front from late this morning through early this evening. Until the front passes, though, hot and very humid conditions will persist across the area both today and into Friday. As far as the dangerous heat stress is concerned for today, once again, there is an extreme heat warning in effect until 8 o'clock this evening. Right now, we're looking at a significant or a level 3 for dangerous heat stress across the area, with high temperatures from the mid-90s to near 100. Factored in with a high amount of humidity across the region will result in afternoon heat indices from 110 to 120. Also for today, there is a severe weather chance across the area. Currently, there is a marginal risk or a level 1 for isolated severe storms across the Delta region. In this area, damaging wind gusts to 60 miles per hour will be the main concern with storms, but hail up to the size of quarters will also be possible. Currently, the best timing for such storms will be between 2 p.m. and 10 p.m. today. Again, looking into tomorrow, dangerous heat stress does continue across the area. Although behind the front, there will begin to be some relief from the heat stress across the Delta region, where a limited or a level 1 threat for dangerous heat exists. But along and ahead of this cold front, as you can see across the remainder of the area, we do have both an elevated or a level 2 and a significant level 3 for dangerous heat stress for Friday. Taking a look now at the forecast pattern from Saturday into next Thursday, we continue to see that cold front sinking through the region over the weekend, maintaining good rain chances along and ahead of it, with that slightly drier air beginning to sink into the region in the front, bringing us some relief from the heat. The front stalls and washes out south of the area early next week, with heat and humidity again increasing across the region by midweek. Here's a breakdown of temperatures across the area. The oppressive levels of heat and humidity will slack off a bit over the weekend, with high temperatures near more normal readings as they range from the upper 80s to the lower 90s into early next week. However, again, by the middle of next week, the heat returns, with highs climbing back into the low and middle 90s. Overnight lows will also be slightly cooler, ranging from the upper 60s to lower 70s. And also taking a look at rain chances. Outside of those better rain chances existing ahead of the aforementioned cold front heading into this weekend, chances for showers and storms will remain isolated to scattered at best during the afternoon and early evening hours each day, with a better rain chances across the south, closer to the stalling cold front. Due to the southeastward slow-moving cold frontal passage, the better rainfall totals will be over eastern and southern portions of the area, where anywhere from a half to an inch and a half of rain is expected. Elsewhere, anywhere from 1/100th to a half an inch of rain will be possible. And lastly, taking a look at the tropics, currently the National Hurricane Center says tropical cyclone activity is not expected over the next 7 days. Thanks for tuning into today's briefing. The next briefing will be next Thursday, August the 7th at 10 a.m. If you have any questions or comments concerning this briefing, please contact us via the contact information on the right-hand side of the screen.